series of home invasions throughout Bell County have turned into a search for a known fugitive. Omar Pauly, native of Holland, Texas, was arrested in 1967 for aggravated assault and larceny and was sentenced to 5 years in prison. After his release, Omar Pauly was implicated in a string of incidents outside McLennan County, where he was arrested again but managed to escape authorities. His current whereabouts are unknown. The brutal attack on 3 female college students in Pflugerville, Texas last year is back in the public spotlight. Pflugerville citizens are in an uproar demanding answers from Texas.
Did they get loose on us? Oh, dang it. Should have strung them up better. Somebody around here has to catch them. Trick.
Don't you speak to me like that. You have no...
You're looking down for his life. Back and kill me.
Don't get too wild around me or I'll give you something to giggle about.
Scraps! We gotta find them!
Where the mountains reach like fingers. Is anybody feeding?
You'll never see this. It always works. Go.
Damn it,
Where's
boy.
the sledge?
I wish you would use that head of yours already.
Hard way. Hey, Sissy! You want to see what's in my house? You ain't gonna believe what I found.
Oh, Grandpa, I'm sorry I left you all those years. Someone